Hello, girls. How are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kindera, and today I brought vocabulary words about the parts of the plants. Before learning those words, we're going to read this poem. The title of this poem is Flower, Stem, Leaves, and Roots, and it is now circled in blue at the top of the poem. That orange arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. Remember, we always read from left to right and up and down. Pay attention because as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in orange. There are words that appear more than once in the poem, so they are going to appear more than one circle, okay? Let's go. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Flower, stem, leaf, and roots. Leaf and roots. Flower, stem, leaf, and roots. Leaf and roots. And there are trees with trunks and many leaves. Flower, stem, leaf, and roots. Leaf and roots. This poem is actually a song and we're going to sing it later, okay? Now I am going to introduce the vocabulary words. I'm going to say the word once and then I am going to count up to 3 like this. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to say the word with me. Ready? Let's go. Flower. 1, 2, 3. Flower. Stem. 1, 2, 3. Stem. Leaf. 1, 2, 3. Leaf. Leaf, you say it when there is just one, okay? And when there are more than one, you say leaves. 1, 2, 3. Leaves. Roots. 1, 2, 3. Roots. Tree. 1, 2, 3. Tree. Trunk. 1, 2, 3. Trunk. Okay, so those were the vocabulary words, and now that you know them, we're going to read this poem but singing the song, okay? Let's go. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Flower, stem, leaf, and roots, leaf and roots. Flower, stem, leaf, and roots, leaf and roots, and there are trees with trunks and many leaves. Flower, stem, leaf, and roots, leaf and roots. Did you like it? Very good. Okay, now I have an activity, but something happened. Look, I had a flower to show you, but this flower is all messy and I want to tidy it up. Can you help me? Okay, thank you. So, which part goes at the top and it goes first? The flower. Which one is the flower? That one, very good. So we're going to put the flower in the right place. You have to say the word flower, okay? 1, 2, 3. Flower. Okay, very good. Now, which part of the flower goes next? The stem. Very good. Which one is the stem? That one. Very good. That one is the stem. We're going to say stem at the count of 3 to put it in its right place, okay? 1, 2, 3. Stem. Very good, girls. Excellent. Now, which part goes next? The leaf. Which one is the leaf? That one. Very good. We're going to say leaf to put it in its place at the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Leaf. Louder. 1, 2, 3. Leaf. Very good, girls. Excellent. And the part that goes at the bottom are the roots. Very good. Those are the roots. Excellent. We're going to say roots at the count of 3 to put it in its place, okay? 1, 2, 3. Roots! They disappeared. Let's say the word one more time, okay? 1, 2, 3. Roots! There they are. Very good. Thank you. So there is the flower, the stem, the leaf, and the roots. Very good. I hope that you liked it. A big kiss for everybody. Bye bye.